Today, we're talking about the secret to maintaining a high-end look year-round on your home and property. This is what we love to do. High-end properties and landscape installs that we do is what we love to maintain. Everybody, I'm Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care here in Southwest Florida, and I cannot wait to get into this topic with you today. So luxury just doesn't start and end with a brand new landscape install that brings your outside area to life or expands and extends your outside living area. It continues on with maintenance, upkeep, revisions, and constantly refining that outside area. Because unfortunately, the fact of the matter is, as much as you put into making sure an install is beautiful, day after day after day after day, that perfection is starting to wear off, and you're constantly having to make those little upgrades, those little adjustments, those little refinements, and those little maintenance adjustments to it to keep it looking its best. And without those, it can simply look shabby in a short amount of time, specifically with our very, very hot weather and our excessive rains here in Southwest Florida. And that's exactly what we're going over today is what are those little refinements? What are those things you can be doing to keep that looking better than ever and make sure your home always has that fresh, just installed, luxurious landscape feel? So some of the things that people easily and very quickly overlook in their landscape is an overgrown landscape, edges that are not fresh anymore, faded mulch, dim landscape lighting, rock that maybe is having some weeds start in it or starting to get discolored. All of these things, they all start to just add a dull finish to a beautiful landscape that with a little bit of maintenance here, a little bit of an upgrade here, a little refining this edge there, it can all look perfectly tailored all the time. And that's what we went out of a property, is to look at it and see a perfect turnkey landscape at all times, while understanding that we know that that is going to take some maintenance. And really, it's not just about keeping things tidy. It's keeping this stuff refreshed, and it's keeping it on a simplistic maintenance plan that makes sure things are refreshed regularly and things are always looking their best. And really, the goal with our maintenance plans is to make sure you really never even see the issue. We're staying ahead of it. You never know that light fixture is out. You never know that light fixture is not aimed. You never see that the weeds are starting in your bed, because we're catching the weeds when they're small. We're fixing the light when it's not really that big of a problem, touching up the mulch before it's discolored and losing its pop. We are trimming the shrubs before they get overgrown. Catching all these things and being proactive about these things is maintenance that keeps your home looking luxurious year round. And sometimes as we look at a property, it's not just about keeping up with, tidying up, refreshing. It is about replacing and updating as fixtures become maybe not the exact style you want anymore because you've changed some other aspects of your outside design. Maybe some of the plants you had now don't fit with some of the new things you're doing. Maybe some of the bed coverings, mulch, rock, maybe they don't make as much sense with the new paint you've put on your house. So sometimes it's not just refreshing and keeping tidy. It's truly updating these little pieces and updating even seasonal pieces with annual plantings to give color and to give accents during different specific pieces of the season. So keeping tidy is one piece, and that's general maintenance. But then there's also updating and truly changing things to match new aesthetics and changing pieces of your property. Truly, all in all though, outside of maintenance, outside of updates on your property, it's about having a home that always looks polished. It's about having a home that looks tailored and that looks flawless and looks intentional with everything that is being done over time. And the true piece of that keeps that way is staying intentional with all the things you're doing and proactive and not reactive. And so here at Scooters Lawn Care, those are the things we're doing. We're staying proactive. We're implementing different maintenance packages for different things you have in your home, from the installs we've done, whether that be lighting, whether that be hardscaping, whether that be softscaping, to ensure that things stay up to date, they stay polished, they stay maintained and tidy. So you always come home and you don't have to question, what do I need to do to my home next? What's that next piece? We are implementing a policy, a maintenance plan for you that allows you to truly enjoy the original investment you put in your landscape and not ever worry about, man, I need to make sure that this thing is maintained. And that is our goal from the very beginning, is to make sure you have packages that allow you to have a maintained property from from the beginning where you don't have to worry about a thing. So if you like the sound of that and you want a major install and you want to get things changed and brought up to date, and you want to maintain that and not have to worry about that, reach out to us at Scooters Lawn Care here in Southwest Florida. We would love to help you, and we cannot wait to meet